Granular bar. This is a recipe by my sister. It's the easiest thing that one can carry in our tiffins and the most go-to food when you are low on energy, and obviously the healthiest snacking option. So let's see how it's made. To begin with, let's have a rundown on what are the ingredients that we would need. There are a couple of seeds that I have used, like flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, then chia seeds, melon seeds, sunflower seeds. Now, seed selection is entirely up to you. You can make addition or subtraction as per your preference and needs or requirement. Along with that, what is required or what I have used is peanut butter. That's also an optionable ingredient, but it gives the bar a nice nutty flavor. Then ghee, brand of your choice, then oats, along with that powdered jaggery. If you don't have powdered jaggery, you can grate the jaggery whenever we are actually using it in the dish or in the method. Then soaked dates, just soak them for about half an hour to 1 hour, that would be enough. Then we would need nuts, almond, cashews. You can also use salted peanuts and dark chocolate. It's healthy and the kids would definitely love it. Now what to do is we would need to dry roast all the seeds that we are taking separately. Dry roast and keep them for cooling down, but all would be required to be dry roasted separately. Dry roasting and cooling down separately is also for for further use. If you want, you can store them also separately and use them in different recipes and dishes as per your likings. So that's the reason it's advisable for these seeds to be stored separately. Nuts need to be dry roasted. Now either you can use the powdered version or the chopped version in your recipe, because every kid would have a different preference. Then along with that, you would need oats. Now oats also, either you like them as they are or you like them powdered. So I have used the powdered version of the oats. You can take your pick. Nicely and smoothly grind the soaked dates and keep them ready. We are making sure that we have all the ingredients ready before we actually start the process, because once the process starts, everything has to be added very quickly. So it's a humble request to have all the ingredients ready. Grind the roasted seeds as well and keep them aside. Now in a bowl, you take the powdered oats. To that you add the powdered nuts, you add the grinded seed powder, you add the dark chocolate chips, you add 2 heaped tablespoons of peanut butter and give this mix a nice stir and mix it well. Once this mixture is nicely done, keep it aside and take a kadhai. To it add some ghee. Once the ghee melts, add powdered jaggery. Nicely stir the mix and let the jaggery melt into the ghee. You need to continuously stir from here on the mixture that and all the ingredients that go into the kadhai, and not leave the kadhai unattended even for a second. After the jaggery melts, you add the date mixture. Once that is completely and nicely mixed, you add the peanut butter and dry mixture to it. Keep on stirring it, keep on mixing it. It might get a little hard to mix, but you definitely have to keep on stirring it. Shut the flame and add the mixture to a butter paper lined square tin. Let it come down to room temperature. After that, you refrigerate it for a couple of hours. In the picture, you can see 2 versions of the granular bar. One is the powdered version and one is the non-powdered version. Well, it's still full of health, so hope you like it. Thank you so much.